Hey House Hunters, it is Sara Linton. I'm in a fantastic new construction master bathroom, giving you a few tips to upgrade your home bath or whenever you're house hunting to make sure you're not missing anything. Now this is going to be a separate shower, which is standard. Now if we want to take a closer look, we have the small tile on the bottom, nice neutral grays. We have a nice bench as well, that's marble on top. And then that's great for storage, as well as this ledge here. Now you'll notice that if you can see the size of this tile, it's nice and thick, it's not overwhelming whatsoever. This is a steam shower, which I 100% recommend having. Every luxury home I see has a steam shower. Now this also has a rain head as well, and then a standard nozzle. You can get fancier with the shower, but make sure it's steam with enough storage in there, nice and clean, crisp lines. Now we'll go over and talk about the tub for you. This is very different than the 1980s style tubs. It's still, of course, jet, but they're not massive, and it just doesn't take up the entire bathroom. It's so gaudy. Nice and streamlined for you. I do like the wood inlays. You don't see this too often. It makes it nice and homey in here. You have a nice large window, and then you have double sinks, which is pretty standard. And then if you can tell with the lighting up top, it's stainless steel as well. Double sinks, we have a nice dark hardwood. Actually, I do see some white in the bathroom, but this is really nice with the dark, and it matches the dark doors here, solid core 9-foot doors. The floor is heated, of course, really nice neutral, not too much. And you've got a variety of the grays in here, but they all match and correspond nicely. I think that's about it. Make sure you have heated floors in your bath. Make sure that you have a steam shower and enough storage. You can't have a master bath with just one sink nowadays. I hope this helps your home renovations. Reach out with any questions, saralinton.com.